So, who do I have the pleasure of joining me today?
Hi, my name is Gabby Vasquez, and I work with International Finance Bank.
Nice. And Gabby, what do you do at International Finance Bank?
I'm a credit analyst.
My name is Obi Perdomo. I'm with Pacific National Bank, and I'm a relationship banking officer.
I'm Doug Sawyer from Century Risk Advisors.
Hi, I'm Kyle Hanlon.
Wonderful, Kyle. And what do you do for work?
I am the owner of Banyan Benefits Group, a boutique employee benefits firm located in West Palm Beach, Florida, servicing all of Florida for health insurance, plans that extend from medical all the way through dental vision and ancillary products.
And what's one fun fact about yourself?
I love scuba diving.
Wow.
I love to cycle. So I'm one of those crazy people that you see with the tights, riding a bike in Key Biscayne.
I've seen them before.
I don't know if there's many fun facts. I'm an ex-banker. We're not, there's so much fun to us, but a lot of people don't know I'm Bahamian, where my family's from the Bahamas, and part of my family over there is in the liquor business, and they do have a beer, and every time I tell you, if you go to the Bahamas, please drink Sands beer, not Kalik, drink Sands, because that's in the family.
You heard that, people. Drink Sands.
So something most people don't know about me is I really enjoy playing the piano.
Beautiful. What can you play?
A little bit of everything, hip hop to classical, some surprise in between,
Okay. What was your main takeaway from today's talk?
My biggest takeaway was Carlos's emphasis on collaboration and teamwork, and how people don't work for you, they work with you. So
There were so many. Carlos, as you guys know, is a great speaker. But honestly, just the fact that he mentioned about people and how important people are, and motivating them, and the mentoring part of it, and just being a good father. That was a real takeaway, and the importance of family.
My main takeaway is, having been a long time banker, events like this are really great for all the community bankers and all the bankers that have, to get together and really, listen to different leaders in the banking industry talk about how they see it. It takes you back to so many different times that you were in the industry and thought about, yeah, that's right, or yeah, I might have done that differently. But a really great thing for bankers and people that don't even are in the banking industry, that come and see how bankers are and really can appreciate the business they do and what bankers mean for the community.
See, the FBF is for everyone.
One thing I really think stuck with me is the way Carlos spoke about the difference of large banks and small banks being boutique. In so many ways, I relate to that in what we do for work, because we are following that same pattern of being boutique, and we don't necessarily want to do what all the big players do. I think we value what we do differently in our own way. And so I think Carlos spoke really well about that, and something that I'll be reflecting on for sure.
Thank you so much for joining us today, Gabby.
thank you so much.
Beautiful. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Well, thank you so much for joining us today, Doug.
You're welcome. Thank you for having me.
Of course. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.